favorite? What is your favorite ice cream, Kronii?
I like green tea ice cream.
Really?
Okay, what about you then?
I would say ice cream, like not sherbet, right? Like ice cream, creamy ice cream. Then I would say, I guess, chocolate. Just
chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, chocolate. Oh, I see. Okay.
Why do you have to laugh? Why are you laughing at? It's just a chocolate.
No. I just thought that was really cool.
It really tastes like. It tastes like good grass. You know?
You said tastes like grass.
Yeah, in a good way.
What, like, are you a grass grazer or something?
No. I'm not a cow.
You know what a good grass is?
No.
What a bad grass is?
No, it's just I don't know what good grass is. I'm just saying it's good grass because I'm not assuming that it's bad grass because it tastes either. I don't read books. You think I would know?
That's crazy.
It's crazy.
Oh no, Joe-sama would read books.
I'm not an Ojo-sama. That's why I only read books with pictures in them.
Oh, that's also pretty Ojo-sama.
Is that? I don't think that's really Ojo-sama.
Ojo-sama.
No.
Okay,
What,
anyway.
do you read? Do you read? I bet you read.
Yes, I
Chick.
read.
Like literal chick. What do you call that? A bookworm. Yeah, that's what I want to.
Yes, I'm a literal chick. Cheap. Yeah.
My wings are clipping onto your side. Wait a sec.
You really?
Yeah. Wait.
Get your wings out of my face.
I'm sorry. Yes, I have my rock wings. Yeah, I'm assuming rock wings.
How do you not know your own wings?
A doctor's analysis on them, so I don't know actually what they're made of. Yeah.
Are you sure?
I don't know, because you made it sound like maybe you would know.
I don't know.
Well, then that sucks. Yeah, because I want to know more about
you. And you're saying, oh yeah, I don't really care about myself, but I guess maybe if you want to pay attention to me, maybe you can't.
Oh wait, never. No, I didn't say never mind. I was just like, oh, you don't know? Okay,
anyway,
then we both don't know. That sucks.
I'm passively consuming content that's just interesting enough to make me forget about the dull life I'm
volume 2 because my Go XLR settings are fucking fudging messed up.
Oh my goodness gracious. What have you said right there, man?
I would never know. I would never.
Fudging.
Yeah, because I love chocolate so much. Wait, why are you so? Ow.
That's because you're slow.
Shut up, I can't dash. Okay, now I'm faster than you. Ha 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 ha.
It's called cooperation. Bleh.
Bleh. Oh, what's this dead deer doing to us?
Bleh.
What the fuck?
Oh, what?
What the hell's going on? What? Holy shit! Oh no! Oh no! What are you gonna do? Don't eat me! Please don't eat me! No! What the hell is that? It's crying! Do you see that?
Huh?
Oh my god! The spine dog is cut into 3 pieces!
Oh, that's a spine dog? It just looks like a scrap of metal. I'm gonna try it.
Oh my god! Oh my god, you're pulling its organs together! Oh god!
What? That's a cord.
Oh, is it
Oh yeah, see, just push it in. Yeah.
Oh. And thank you very much. IRyS! You don't have to say your own thing! Say your own thing!
IRyS, it's virus.
That's just what do you mean? My name isn't IRyS, it's not!
Bye-bye.
じゃないで日本語なんだよ